Welcome to my accessories trench, your go-to destination for all things tech and trendy. In today's video, we're diving into the 5 best 3-in-1 wireless chargers for the iPhone 16 Pro and Pro Max in 2025. Imagine powering up your phone, AirPods, and Apple Watch, all in one sleek device. Say goodbye to messy cords and hello to effortless charging. We've tested the top contenders, so you don't have to. Whether you're a tech enthusiast or just want a simpler setup, this video has something for everyone. Ready to transform your charging game? Links to all the products are in the description. Grab yours today and simplify your life. Stick around, because you won't want to miss our top pick. Let's get started. On number 5 is 3-in-1 charging station. This compact powerhouse is designed to charge your Galaxy S25, Apple Watch, and AirPods all at once, eliminating the chaos of tangled wires. With its 18-watt high-power fast charging, your devices reach full power in just 2 to 4 hours. It's ideal for busy mornings when you need all your gadgets ready to go. Made with durable ABS material, the sleek design ensures efficient heat dissipation and a modern aesthetic. The soft blue LED indicator adds a touch of tech chic to your bedside table. And guess what? It won't disturb your sleep. Perfect for light-sensitive sleepers. Now, let's talk user-friendliness. The wide-range induction coil ensures effortless alignment for charging. However, don't forget to remove cases thicker than 5 mm or magnetic accessories. They'll interfere with the process. The best part, the automatic trickle protection mode ensures no overcharging, extending the life of your precious devices. It's a true tech enthusiast's dream. Fast, efficient, and stylish. What do you think? Would this 3-in-1 marvel simplify your life? Drop your thoughts in the comments below and check the description for links to grab one today. At number 4 is GetPal's wireless charger. This 3-in-1 charging station is your go-to solution for the Galaxy S25, iPhone 16 Pro Max, Apple Watch, and AirPods. With a compact foldable design, it's perfect for your bedside, work desk, or even on the go. Imagine packing one lightweight charger for your next trip. Goodbye, tangled cords. Fast charging. You bet. It delivers 7.5W for phones, 5W for earbuds, and 3W for watches, ensuring reliable power delivery every time. Whether you're multitasking at your desk or winding down for the night, this charger keeps you connected and charged effortlessly. The design is not just functional, but also thoughtful. Safety features like overcurrent, overvoltage, and overheating protection ensure your devices stay safe. The LED indicators add a modern touch, letting you know when each device is ready to go. A minor heads up. For AirPods 2, 3, and 4, you'll need a MagSafe charging case. But honestly, the portability and reliability of this charger outweigh that tiny limitation. Is this the all-in-one charger you've been waiting for? Let us know in the comments. And don't forget to check the links in the description to grab yours today. On number 3 is Rhine Magnetic Wireless MagSafe. This innovative 3-in-1 charging station is designed for Apple lovers, but guess what? It's perfect for your Galaxy S25 too. With its precise absorption, you can effortlessly switch between vertical and horizontal charging angles. Let's talk about speed. This charger delivers a rapid full charge in just 2.5 hours, making it a game changer for busy lifestyles. Plus, the built-in protection features, like overcurrent and short-circuit protection, ensure your devices stay safe and cool, with temperatures staying below 104 degrees Fahrenheit while charging. Now, I love its portable and foldable design. You can easily fold it to 180 degrees, making it compact enough for travel or fitting into any home setup without taking up precious space. But here's a pro tip. If you're using a non-magnetic case, take it off for the best charging experience. However, the sleek design does have its limits. It's essential to check for compatibility with all your devices. Overall, if you're looking for a stylish, fast, and safe charging solution, the Rind MagSafe charger deserves a spot on your list of the best 3-in-1 wireless chargers for the iPhone 16 Pro and Pro Max in 2025. What do you think? Let me know in the comments below. At number 2 is iVanki Charging Station. This charging hub is a powerhouse. It effortlessly charges your iPhone, Apple Watch, and AirPods simultaneously. With a lightning-fast 15W for your iPhone, 2.5W for the Apple Watch, and 3W for the AirPods, you can say goodbye to waiting around. Each device charges independently, so you never have to worry about one slowing down the others. Just make sure to use a 30-watt PD charger for optimal speed. Now, let's talk design. The night light feature is not just functional. It adds a cozy ambience to your space, blending seamlessly with any decor. The sleek metal finish screams sophistication, making it an excellent gift for the tech enthusiast in your life. However, the only downside is that it's tailored more for Apple products, which may leave Galaxy S25 users feeling a bit left out. But overall, if you're on the hunt for one of the best 3-in-1 wireless chargers for the iPhone 16 Pro and Pro Max in 2025, the iVanki Charging Station is definitely worth considering. What do you think? Let's discuss in the comments below. Now moving to the last one is Ockfleeman Charging Stand. This compact powerhouse is crafted from high-quality zinc alloy, boasting over 65% better heat dissipation than standard plastic chargers. This means you're not just charging your devices, you're protecting their battery health too. Plus, the adjustable viewing angle of up to 75 degrees allows you to switch effortlessly between landscape and portrait modes, perfect for video calls or binge-watching your favorite series. Portability is key here. The foldable design fits snugly in your pocket or palm, making it ideal for home, office, or travel use. And let's not forget about sustainability. This charger is made with at least 70% eco-friendly materials, combining durability with an environmentally conscious approach. However, the focus on Apple products means Galaxy S25 users might feel a bit left out. Overall, if you're on the lookout for one of the best 3-in-1 wireless chargers out there, the Ockfleeman Charging Stand is definitely worth your attention. What's your take on eco-friendly tech? Let me know in the comments. So guys, this was a video about the 5 best 3-in-1 wireless chargers for iPhone 16 Pro/Pro Max 2025. All the links are given in the description. Do check them out. If you enjoyed the video, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos. Thank you.